yes. Customer service, please. Hi. Yes, I'm calling to follow up on my order. J Styles. Sure, my order number 867-5309. Yes, the unicorn. What? Wow, that is such a joy kill. No worries. It's not your fault. I just really had my hopes up on the unicorn. You know, when I placed my order, they assured me you guys had ample unicorns and huh? I get it. Totally understandable. No, I really wouldn't like it. Huh? Well, how about a product replacement? Graphics cards? Do you possibly have any of those in stock? I'm looking for a 3090. Nearly impossible. Wow. Well, I guess so. What's that? My voice? Oh, yeah, it does sound familiar. Yeah, I've got a YouTube channel. Yeah, all things styles. Yeah. I mean, you know, I do what I can. That's what's up. Definitely. Well, it's been great talking to you. You have an awesome day. I will definitely do the same. All right now. All right. I really want that unicorn. Oh, hey. What's up, everybody? J Styles, all things styles. Welcome to another video. If you guys are new here, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Stick around for a bit. Also, if you'd like to see more of my face, hit the notification bell. That way you don't miss, yes, my next video when I drop it. Yes. Well, you're definitely up on it, huh? You're finishing my words before I even say them. I like to think that we're kind of close. We've bonded over the past year or whatnot. Yeah. Hey, one more thing. Yeah, the whole like thumbs up deal. Awesome. Appreciate that. Those kind gestures ensure the growth of the channel, and it gets us one step closer to our 10,000 goal and the Heat Press giveaway. Yeah. Well, now that that's out the way, today for your viewing pleasure, we have yours truly. We'll be designing a shirt using heat transfer warehouse vinyl. They were kind enough to send me some. I'm not sure if you guys see my earlier videos where I spoke about the Wallet Cut Express and what I thought was so great about it. If you happen to miss out, let me bring you up to speed. This Wallet Cut Express, it presses at 285 for 5 seconds. And what's so great about that is that the low press time and the low temperature allows you to press on a multitude of garments. And you don't risk, the whole scorch deal. Yeah, definitely, you should check it out. They were also kind enough to send me some of this pattern vinyl. I don't know about you, but for myself, this is my first time using it. They've got so many colors and patterns to choose from. If you guys are interested, the link will be in the description below. They've even got an option where you guys can customize your own vinyl. How cool is that? Hey, what about Styles vinyl? Get this video to 500 likes, and hey, maybe we'll get some of that for you guys. Giveaway time. Now, but this vinyl here, definitely cool. And I don't know if you guys are familiar with decal vinyl, but the application is somewhat the same. It requires what they call a mask, but we'll get more into that once we're ready to, apply our design. What's that? Oh yeah, it has been a while. I've been alright. Just taking it easy. Yeah, sometimes we need to recharge. Definitely. Well, I mean, I'm back. I've got my second wind, as they would say. Definitely planning to kill them with kindness all year long. Twice on a Sunday even. Nah, but we're going to go ahead and get over to the cutter. And as always, we'll wrap a bit. yeah, stick around. So what's new with you guys? That's what's up. I'm glad to hear you guys are being positive and productive. Yeah, this Wallet Cut Express, it weeds pretty nice. So I'm going to go ahead and get this. What's that? Oh, yeah. What do you guys got planned for Easter? Virtual Easter egg hunts, Easter baskets and whatnot. If you guys get any of those peeps, put a couple to the side for me. I'm gonna go ahead and finish weeding this out, and then I'll get back to you guys once I'm ready to go over that that pattern vinyl. Yeah, it's got a nice feel to it. So when you're ready to apply this, you take your carrier sheet and you apply it on top of your image. You take the squeegee. Also, this is sold separately but available at Heat Transfer Warehouse. It's in the link. You just kind of get it on there. And then you peel it and then you apply it. Also, you don't mirror this when you cut it because you're going to apply it right side up. Same way we do like a 3G opaque paper. So anywho, ready to get this press turned on, 285, and then we'll conclude this video. Yeah, this pattern vinyl though, it's pretty neat. Okay, so our temperature is set at 285. Remember, you always want to have your lint brush to remove any of the lint that may be on your garment. Give it a quick pre-press. That way you get any moisture in your garment out. And like I was showing you guys earlier, Heat Transfer Warehouse has heat press accessories, and these are going to be a shirt ruler. They come in adult, youth, toddler, and infant sizes. These things are great. You simply line it up with the collar. It makes sure that your image is centered, as well as the proper distance from the collar to the start of your design. In this case, we're not really going to worry about that too much because it's going to be kind of off-centered. Always want to inspect your vinyl to make sure there's no pieces left behind that you maybe forgot to weed out, or that maybe have stuck to your carrier sheet. So this time I'm going to go about 4 fingers down instead of the normal 3 fingers. That 5 seconds is quick. And this is going to be a warm peel. And I figure I'll go right about there. Once again, I'm not really too worried about it, as this shirt's not entering any contests of any sorts. And it's more for the video purposes. Teflon sheet was to protect any of your exposed vinyl. They also got these down at Heat Transfer Warehouse. The link once again is in the description below. Okay, so now dealing with your pattern vinyl, you're going to first press it for 5 seconds, remove the carrier sheet, and then press it for another 10 seconds. Once again, Teflon sheet to cover any exposed vinyl. This is also going to be a cool, warm peel type of deal. Also, if you guys happen to pick these up, be careful not to leave these on your press because they will melt. Gonna let it go for another 10 plus seconds, give or take. I'm I'm gonna hold it down because it wants to release itself. If you guys know the words, feel free to sing along. Alright folks, this has concluded another video. As always, this has been Jay Styles. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend, but above all, you guys be kind, and I'll catch you on the next one.